right, today we're going to multiply binomials together. Now recall, we've already been distributing our monomials. We had something that looked like this. Well, if it looked like this, what would you do? Well, you would distribute or multiply, right? You'd say negative 7 times 2x, and we get negative 14x. And then we'd say negative 7 times 5 to give us our minus 35. But we have another one in front as well. So what do we do with that? Well, if it just looked like this, what would you do? Well, you distribute again, right? So we're going to distribute the other way. Let's say 3x times 2x. Well, that's going to give you 6x squared. And 3x times 5, and that would give you positive 15x. Now, at this point, we've multiplied everything in the first parentheses with everything in the second parentheses. We've had a 2 by 2, so that means 2 times 2 is 4. We should have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Excellent. Also, if we've done this right, we should have some like terms right here that we can combine. So now we're going to have 6x squared, negative 14x, and positive 15x will give me a positive 1x minus 35. If you've done it correctly, you should have an x squared, an x, and a number. Now the other way that we can do this that we like to use is called the box method. Here's what we do for the box. We take whatever on the first parentheses and write it across the top of the box. Whatever's on the second parentheses, we're going to write on the side of the box. And remember the Vegas rule, what's in front of the number stays with the number. So I'm going to put 2x here and positive 5 here. Now everywhere there's a plus or a minus, that means I need to write a line. All right, we're doing exactly what we did over here. We're multiplying everything with the first parentheses with everything in the second parentheses. It's just a nice little visual. Now recall that each of these are rectangles now, and we know that the area of a rectangle is the length times the width. So we're going to multiply the dimensions of our box to find out the area inside. So that would be 2x times 3x would give me 6x squared. 2x times negative 7, that's going to give me negative 14x. 3x times 5 will give me 15x. And 5 times negative 7 will give me negative 35. Now if I've done this right, my diagonals right here will be my common terms, my like terms. So now we're going to have 6x squared plus 1x minus 35. See, we get the same answer both ways. It's just different ways of thinking about it. Logically, nice little visual to make sure we don't forget anyone. And remember, you know you love math.